Nicole Gonzer's free throw is good. Gonzer had a big game for the Greyhounds, 11 points, 11 rebounds against California University Vulcan. Taylor Woods checks in for the Eagles, passes inside, can't find anything. Now Dougherty at the top of the key to Miller on the left wing, and pass intended for Dorner and is mishandled, and it goes out of bounds.
Good UIndy defense right there, pretty solid right there. You could tell once it goes in the post, they all help out and collapse on her, which that's what you have to do if they're going to dominate you in the post. They're doing a really good job on defense.
High ball game, 13-13. Turner to Diana Ivanovic. Ivanovic to Walter, drives left side, hands it off to Gonzer. Gonzer, long pass to Turner. Turner drives inside, slashes away to the basket. Good for a layup.
Good job by Turner to penetrate there. She gets on the board with her first two.
Millard pushing the ball down court. Dowdy looks inside. Looking for Dorner. Can't find anything. Now Woods. Stolen away is Diana Ivanovic, and she's going to go all the way coast to coast after the steal, and that puts the Greyhounds up 4 points, 17-13.
Good post defense right there. That's textbook's way of playing post defense.
Turnovers were a problem for the Eagles so far against the Minnesota State Mavericks, and has been in some trouble so far in these past couple of minutes. As Woods drives from the right corner inside the paint, kicks it out to a wide open Miller. No good on the shot. Turner gets that rebound and is fouled by Miller.
Yeah, it looks like Turner did a good job of blocking out Miller after she shot that shot, and that's really what you have to do when you're, like I said in the last game, if you have those long shots, you're going to have those long rebounds to follow.
Sydney Weinert checks back in for Katie McIntosh. Weinert has that right hamstring wrapped up a little bit after seeing the athletic trainer team. 17-13 to score. 12 minutes, 40 seconds to go in the first half. Turner crosses the half-court line, pushes the ball past Stutzman, and draws contact, but a charge is going to be called. And Turner doesn't like that call, but Mantowski had that position right there.
Yeah, that was a good job by Mantowski to get her position and get her feet set. That's really what you have to do because Turner likes to drive. They probably already know that coming into this game, and they're playing pretty well.
17-13, the Greyhounds lead. Stutzman on the right corner, guarded by freshman Walter. Walter, tight defense, now ball in the hands of Miller in the left corner. Woods, guarded by Ivanovic. Ivanovic showing her defensive versatility. Stutzman in the right corner. Looks to pass, picks up her dribble. And now Dougherty picks up a highly contested shot. No good off of the back rim. Ivanovic soars up for the rebound. Turner pushing the ball to Walter. Walter on the left wing, back to Turner at the top of the key, guarded by Miller. Finds Weinert for a 15-foot. Looks to shoot. Brings it back out. Finds a cutting Diana Ivanovic, and the shot is blocked by Dougherty.
Yeah, that was Ashland's first miss. They're now 5 for 6 on twos.
Swing pass to Dougherty at the top of the key. Now Woods. Woods throws it inside to Mankowski. Mankowski has to bring it back out to Stutzman. Stutzman to Miller on the right wing. Drives baseline. Puts up a long pass to Woods. No good. Turner gets that rebound again. Turner pushing the ball. Runs the break. Finds Walter. Shot fake. Walter drives baseline. Float shot. No good. Rebound Miller. 3-on-2 break for the Eagles. Woods to Dougherty, mishandled pass, and it goes out of bounds.
They had a great fast break opportunity there and just could not finish. That is heartbreaking for Ashland.
17-13 the score. And a timeout on the floor, and we'll take one as well. The Greyhounds lead here at Hamer Hall. You're listening to Greyhounds basketball on 88.7 WYCR.